Hi there. In this really quick video, we're going to be looking at this UGREEN USB-A to USB-C adapter. And it's one of those that actually accepts data transfer because there are many adapters of this type that basically only handle power. And if you get one of those, well, no data via USB 3.0 will be transmitted. This is the exact model, US276, 5 gigabytes maximum. This is what we get inside the box. It's basically no instructions for us, just other information. Don't really care that much about them. Size of this thing, it's decently small, as you can see, barely bigger than the USB Type A itself, metal, so feels quite well made. I will link another video in the description where I show some of these Type-C to micro USB adapters from UGREEN. Extremely good. I have two of those at the moment. I really like them. This, yeah, it's a recyclable product. Super. We need to print another piece of paper to show it's recyclable. Yeah, you got a lot of these organizations that put all kind of stupid rules. And here we have kind of a thingy that looks like a wrist strap, but it's made to be put on the cable you are using this on, so you don't lose it. So you need to insert this in the hole, and this will be going on the cable. But first I need to check if this actually works in my particular situation. You can see it is USB Type-C because it has the 4 outside contacts and 5 more in the back. Split this up with my fingernail, and now I'm just rotating it in here to get it into the final position. Yeah, really hard to show you exactly what I'm doing, and I'm not going to get a tripod just for this thing, and it's there. And if you put this on the cable, you basically cannot lose this by mistake. Or you can put it on your keys, who knows where you want it. And this is proper USB 3 speed, so the little adapter is compatible with this standard and can do high speed copying. Did a bit of testing with the help of these two cables. So this can work at USB 3 speeds with a proper USB 3 cable, so 200-ish megs copy on a hard drive, mechanical hard drive. With a USB 2.0 cable it does about 35 megs, so this is high speed capable, which is exactly what we wanted, and they did not lie with the color in terms of speed for sure. And that's about it for this video. This thing, I really like it, really compact, does everything that it says, and I have zero complaints about it and will be put to good use. So hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.